Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful bracelet. This is extremely simple, and my dear friends, you're going to enjoy making this beautiful bracelet with me. Before I begin this tutorial, just have a little view at this beautiful bracelet. These are a few things you will need to start your project. To begin, make a slip knot. Insert your crochet hook in the slip knot. Chain 12. You have to make chain according to your button size. I'm making 12 chains because the button is small. Now join it to the first chain to make a circle. Now begin to make single crochet. You don't need to count how many single crochet you're making. You have to just make single crochets to complete the full circle. Now we completed the circle. Make a slip stitch. Now you raise the first chain. Again insert your hook in the next loop. Make a slip stitch and raise the chain. Do this repeatedly 5 times. Make a slip stitch and raise it. This is the last fifth loop which you have pulled high, raised high. Yarn over, pull through all the loops, make a slip stitch. Now chain 4 and insert your hook in the base of the last chain. Make a slip stitch, raise your chain again, and now you have to insert a bead. The bead that I'm using has a teardrop shape, so I'm beginning it with I insert the hook in the broader portion. Now turn your work, insert your crochet hook in the loop that we have made, make a slip stitch and pull the loop, raise the loop. Do this repeatedly 5 times. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops. Make a slip stitch and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert it in the space and make a slip stitch. Now raise your loop and again insert a bead. After inserting the bead, turn your work and repeat the same process. Then yarn over and pull through all the loops. Make a slip stitch and again chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert your hook in the space, in the first space, in the same chain and make a slip stitch. Raise your chain and add a bead. A bead should be added from the broader portion into your hook. Follow one pattern, either the broad or the narrow as you wish, depending on the bead you have and the way you desire. I hope you are enjoying this very simple and easy tutorial. If you find this tutorial interesting, consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Just keep repeating the same process the same way until you get the desired length. Now this is the size of my wrist, and so now I completed my bracelet. So I just snip off a little extra yarn. Now you can just pull the loop till the yarn comes off. Now you can take a needle and treadle it and a button and just stitch the button to the edge of your bracelet. See how simple this is. Stitch it nice and tight. If you found this tutorial interesting, consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. Now just snip off the excess yarn and this beautiful, very beautiful bracelet is ready to wear. And this is so simple, you can just button it up.